Hi everyone and welcome back to 417 Fox. I need your help and I owe you an explanation, so let's get to it. Guys, a while back I put out a video that ended up being very popular about buying the Recaros from Malaysia. They were very high quality, I was very satisfied with them, but at the end of the day, they just weren't for me because of my size. I'm just too fat for Recaros. It boils down to that. So I ended up selling those Recaros. They went to another FOXBODY owner down in Texas, and I know he's going to love them. I really wanted to do something to complement my car with the Coyote swap, really kind of taking the car to the next level and do something with the interior on it. And well, way back when, and I think what was it, 16, I put s550 seats in my 93 Cobra clone. So that's what I've decided to do again. I'm going to put s550 seats. Now the one issue I have with that is I need the right color. My 93, it was black, so these work perfect in there. I don't mind a cloth seat, but I want to take it up a level. So let's talk about that. So here's where I'm going to need your help. So I talked to my guy in Malaysia. I'm going to take these covers off. These covers are very simple to take off these seats. I'm going to send the covers to my guy in Malaysia. I'm going to have him make me s550 seat covers. They're like, well, Michael, why don't you can buy those here? Yeah, but can I buy matching rear seat covers for FOXBODY seats? That's right. So what we're going to do is I want to do matching rear Fox seats to front s550 seats. And since that guy I already know can make good rear covers, make the front covers to match. Now here's my dilemma, and here's where I want your feedback. And guys, I'm just kind of all over the place, so I really would enjoy your feedback. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think I should do. So I think Ford did a really good job just in the general design of the s550 seat. They're super comfortable, and they hold you, and they fit a bigger guy too. But what color? So my car is a 91 titanium gray. That is not the easiest gray to match. It has, I'd almost call it just a little bit of taupe into the gray, a little bit of a brownish into the gray. So I'm going to send a sample of the gray out of the back seats to him so he can match. But what should I do? I don't want to I'm going to do leather or vinyl. That'd be question one. Should I pony up the extra money and get real leather? The Recaros you guys seen was Alcantara in the middle, which is a assimilated material. And then it was faux leather on the sides. But I'm telling you, the quality was good. I haven't seen what the price difference would be. I mean, yeah, I would like real leather, but I'm just not sure if the bang is worth a buck. So here's my first thoughts, guys. Here's a couple of ideas I got. Now you throw me your ideas. A titanium real leather or fake leather on this portion here and the headrest, and do this center section here in a matching gray Alcantara, or maybe a black center section of Alcantara. I like the Alcantara. I do like that, and I'm not stuck on it. And if you guys have different ideas, let me know. But it's perforated, it breathes, and it looks cool because it's a different, kind of almost looks like suede. But do that. We could do black. Then you could also do the black stitching, which would kind of stand out really good on the side bolsters. Or what if we did red Alcantara and then red stitching here? I don't know, guys. Also thought about, if you see, so the same seats, I could probably get him to do this center section, do something completely different with the center, do something, leather, do some cool stitching. We could do like a Mach 1 style where we could put a red stripe instead of like the orange stripe that goes on the Mach 1s or the blue or whatever. You could do that stripe there and do kind of the mimic Mach 1 style. Guys, I mean, there's tons of options. What do you think? But whatever we do, I think whatever we do here, I'll take you over to the car. I think, say, for example, if we did the red Alcantara here. Let's go take a look at the car. If we did red or black, either one, we could take that same material and put here in the door card to kind of tie things together. What do you think? So guys, I know this is a short video, and I appreciate the interaction that you guys are going to have with me, because really I'm looking for ideas. I'm really torn, and if you leave it up to me, I'll probably just end up going basic and just doing titanium on the whole thing and throwing them in there and calling it good. And although that's going to be pretty cool and look nice, do we want to do something a little extra? I'm not talking about John Brooks extra with, you know, Porsche, you know, plaid inserts and all that, but I am talking about doing something a little bit different. So you guys help me out. Comment below. I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching this video. And well, stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff going on in this car. See you on the next one.